So it's snowing today. It's a whole blizzard out there right now, and I kind of want to go take pictures. The only thing is, I want to take pictures on my Mamiya RB67. Then that's not really weather sealed. Like, it's a tank of a camera, don't get me wrong. Fully mechanical and no weather sealing whatsoever. It's supposed to be a studio camera, so definitely can't take it out right now. I'm gonna try and shoot this Ilford Ortho Plus black and white film, because I've had it sitting in my film fridge for a while now and I want to shoot it. The only thing is, it's an ISO 80 film, so very not sensitive to light, so I need a lot of it. I kind of still need it to be day. Obviously the snow is going to help keep it bright, but again, I don't want to go out when it's super windy, and right now it's super windy, so we'll see what happens. The wind never stopped yesterday, so I didn't get out to shoot pictures yesterday, but I still want to go out and shoot some pictures today, because I haven't shot any pictures, just like going out and taking pictures. I haven't done that in forever, so I want to do that still, so I'm gonna go do that. Today is super sunny, no wind, but of course we still got all the snow on the ground, so I think we can get I think I can get some good pictures today, hopefully. So I'm just gonna do a photo walk around the neighborhood, see what shots I can get in the snow. So we'll see what kind of images I can make. Got 10 shots. Hopefully one of them turns out good. Got the music in. I don't know about you guys, but music gets me in the mood. Like, I'm in a more creative mood. So let's go. So I think I found the first shot of the day. I wanted a more straight shot, like from the middle of these buildings with the red, but this tree's in the way. So I found a little space in between the trees. So I'm gonna shoot it from here. It won't look, not the composition I wanted, but I'll take it. So I actually had to go back home and get a new battery for this camera. It died. As soon as it died, there was up on the ridge where we were, and there was to the right, you could see these people sledding down, and I took a shot of that. I don't know if that one's gonna come out any good. So I came down here to get a better shot of them sledding. So let's see how this turns out. I was just up on that ridge over there on that side, taking pics. These are exact same apartments here. Hopefully I can get a better composition. I just really like the way these look, so I want to get another composition with them. Also, the first picture I took might have been a double exposure, because It says I'm barely on the third frame, like gonna take the third frame, but this is gonna be my fourth picture. So I think that first picture was a double exposure. I had to scoot back. Sometimes I forget how zoomed in this lens is actually.
Oh God! What? Oh! Oh! Dude, this one that makes you go. Oh no. Yeah. Oh no!
And boom, my camera died right there. Luckily just in time for it to capture the last frame I took. Here's a little secret. All that footage you just saw was all recorded almost a year ago, like 10 months ago, last March. And you're just seeing it now. I know, crazy. But that was around the same time I was recording that documentary I posted on my channel if you want to go check that out. And I was in the middle of doing that, and then life hit, and I was also just hit with a big creative block. That's why I'm here now, actually finishing this video that I recorded almost a whole year ago. But yeah, I do remember that day and going out and taking those pictures. I did have a lot of fun just going out and taking pictures around the neighborhood. I need to do that more often, I think. There's a lot that can be photographed within a mile of wherever you live. You just have to go out there and actually open your eyes and take the pictures. I do also want to say that I had just recently got well, not recently actually, but I hadn't used my Mamiya all too often at that point, so I was still figuring out all the quirks and everything, which is why I got those double exposures. And by now I know the quirks to that Mamiya, because my model does have, you know, a good little quirk, a few quirks that you have to work around. Nothing too crazy, but that is why I got those double exposures. And honestly, looking back at the pictures, I think my favorite is probably the one where they are snowboarding down that hill. It's nothing too crazy. None of these pictures are actually too crazy. I showed you all the pictures I took, but honestly, that one would probably be the only one I like enough to post anywhere. Even though the other pictures weren't necessarily bad, I mean, they're good enough to show you guys, but I also wanted to show that sometimes you don't take good, crazy, amazing pictures all the time. And that entire frame, or that entire roll of 10 pictures, 12 if you include the double exposures, I only really like that one and the self-portrait in the mirror, but you know, that's kind of a basic picture to take, but I enjoyed that one as well. And so yeah, but none of them were super crazy. I do want to say this film actually turned out pretty cool. I do enjoy the dark red tones. I didn't think it was going to be that apparent, but you know, you guys saw in the video where the red was, and I saw it with my own eyes as well. And how that rendered in the film is actually pretty cool. I haven't shot black and white. Ooh, that's a lie. I was gonna say since that one, but I've shot it twice since, but I need to shoot a lot more of it, I think. Black and white, that it's really comes down to that lighting. With that sledding down the hill, I missed 2 perfect moments. I'm right before he got into the sunlight, just right before. And the second one is when he actually fell off the snowboard.
Oh, no!
So I missed both those deciding moments. But the picture I got, I still enjoy. So, oh well. But yeah, here I am later. I have now gone past my creative block. It wasn't the easiest thing to do. I might talk about it in a future video or something, but I'm back to posting all these videos that you guys are about to see. And 2022, we're just gonna go crazy. But that is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I hope you guys have a great rest of your day. See ya.